Somebody said the meat at Costco is fake.
Tastes real to me. Real good.
Hi friends, welcome back to Rouse Rising. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are sharing a meal prep video. This is what I made my family to eat, some of the things we ate this week. I'm a mom to 5 homeschooled kids, so we prepare all of our meals here in the house. There's 7 people eating any given day, any given meal. So that's a lot of food going down the hatch around here. If you are into all of that, click subscribe. We would love to have you a part of the Rouse Rising family. Of this bread. First thing we're going to do is spray down this loaf with some olive oil. You can butter it if you like. I picked up this oil sprayer from Target. It's a time and table, but you can find all sorts of oil sprayers, and I love it. It's amazing, except for the fact that I just sprayed on my counter and made a mess. Okay. Bread dough. This is a Pullman style loaf. I have the recipe a few videos back if you're interested in that, and I've got it dialed now. The first time I made it was the first time I made it, and it's always an experiment. If you bake, then you know baking is science, and I'm not the greatest at following science or doing the correct order of operations, etc., etc. So I winged it with this bread, and just to prove to you that making bread is easier than you think. Baking bread is easier than you think. So try out this Pullman loaf of bread. I'm gonna get this into this bread pan. It's a mess, so we're gonna skip that part and we're just gonna pretend like it was easy for me. I should have put a little oil down on my marble countertop. It would have helped prevent the bread from sticking so much. There we go. It's going in the oven.
All right.
350 for
half hour.
60
We're
minutes.
gonna pop it in the oven. All right, the first thing we're gonna do, I've got my recipe here, and I am using healthyrecipesblog.com. I don't have my mic on, don't mind me. I'm just doing this real quick. We need 2 teaspoons. Redmond's real salt. You can get 15% off, linked down below in this video's description. It's the best deal on the internet. It's Redmond's real salt. You find it at the grocery store, but it's really it's more expensive there. So your best bet is to buy it online in bulk, and that's going to save you a bunch of money. We need, it says 2 teaspoons, but that seems like an awful lot to me. Anyways, we're just going to go with it. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and we're gonna do half a teaspoon ground cumin, and I might even go less than that because I'm not the biggest fan. Let's see here. And a little bit less than half a teaspoon of ground cumin. All right, here we have our beef shanks, and you wanna pat them dry with a paper towel. We're gonna mix these seasonings up and coat both sides with our mixture. Just wanna coat these real quick. This is patting rub it in. It's on there really good. We're gonna do both sides. Start our slow cooker too, so it can start warming. We're gonna pop both of these in here. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna have to go that way. Oh my gosh, are they not gonna fit? I need a slow cooker. Oh, come on. Come on, bad boys, fit in the squish them down in there. Now we're just gonna mix up some better than bouillon. Here. That's good beef broth. All right, now we're just gonna pop the lid on, seal it, make sure that it's sealed, and we will be back here in 6 hours or so. Get the fruit away, clean up my mess, and bam, we're gonna serve that with mashed potatoes or rice or something. All right, there's our shanks. We're gonna let these cook for 6 hours or so, and they will be delicious and ready to go. All right. Girls made a chocolate cake with some vegan frosting, and we're getting ready to cut into that in just a minute. We're gonna top it with some crushed up cookies.
And some sprinkles.
And some sprinkles. There we have it, a beautiful homemade chocolate cake, and it's very delicious and moist.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to fall from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of his car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give today.
So dinner tonight's broccoli, the beef, and mashed potatoes.
Oh, time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today Something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day to live.
Almost done with all the toys. I have the last four.
Pretty cool though.
Yeah, it does. It's on my shoulder. Oh. Kinds of stuff, and then this is breakfast. In the breakfast bowl, we've got sausages, scrambled eggs, and cubed up sweet potatoes. It's about 4 eggs in there and 2 sausages for breakfast this morning.
I think it's probably a good idea.